Identifying trend reversals can be one of the most effective ways to capitalize on major market movements. However, spotting these reversal points in real time can be quite challenging. That's why I'm introducing a powerful and advanced indicator specifically designed to detect potential reversal zones accurately and efficiently. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, starting from an overview of how the indicator works, the standout features of the indicator, and finally, I'll share a highly effective trading strategy that you can use alongside this indicator to increase your profitability in the market. So if that sounds interesting to you, kindly show your support by hitting the like button. Also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay informed each time we make new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, the name of this indicator is Reversal Finder by SMRT Algo. But what exactly is this indicator all about? The Reversal Finder indicator is a sophisticated trading tool designed to identify potential market reversal points. It leverages mean and deviation calculations, combined with bar pattern analysis, to deliver valuable insights into price behavior and possible turning points in market trends. This powerful tool is specifically designed for contrarian trading, which involves entering positions at the end of a trend to capitalize on potential market reversals. This advanced approach focuses on pinpointing precise market highs and lows, offering traders a strategic edge in identifying turning points. Keep in mind that this is a premium indicator. So to get access, all you have to do is click the link in the description below to visit the SMRT Algo official website, where you can purchase the right to use this indicator. Now, let's go over the features of this indicator. At first glance, you'll notice the upper and lower bands displayed by the indicator. These are called the reversal bands, which represent different levels of price overextension. The dynamic nature of these bands, which adjust based on real-time market data, provides a constantly updated visual representation of potential reversal zones. The reversal bands consist of three different colors: green, yellow, and red. The green band represents the initial phase, where price is starting to get overextended. The yellow band suggests a moderate level of overextension, while the red band signals a high likelihood of reversal due to significant overextension. We also have this dotted line here, which is called the middle line. The middle line serves as an equilibrium level between the overbought and oversold level. Next, we have these upward and downward arrows in green and red colors, which represent buy and sell signals. The green upward arrow represents a buy signal, while the red downward arrow represents a sell signal. These real-time alerts are generated by a dynamic combination of price action analysis, volatility changes, and trend reversals. The indicator also displays a trade setup precisely marked at the price level, where it recommends entering the position. It also recommends an optimal stop-loss level to support effective risk management. Additionally, the indicator provides three distinct take-profit levels: TP1, TP2, and TP3, each calculated based on volatility dynamics and historical price patterns. This systematic approach delivers a well-defined profit-taking strategy that caters to various trading styles. Scalpers may opt to close at TP1, day traders could target TP2, while swing traders might hold for TP3 to capitalize on broader market trends. The indicator is highly customizable to fit various trading styles. You can click on this gear icon to open the settings. Here on the input section, you'll find a range of configurable options tailored to your trading preferences. For example, under the buy signal settings, you can adjust the signal type, buy band, and sensitivity. The sensitivity setting controls how responsive the indicator is to market movements. Higher values generate more frequent signals, while lower values produce fewer but potentially more accurate signals. These same settings are available for sell signals as well. Down here, you can also customize the TP and SL levels. Now, let's head over to how we can trade with this indicator. The strategy is straightforward. Since the objective is to trade market reversals, we will only be trading at points of price overextension. Here's how it works. In a bullish setup, we wait for the price to dip into the lower reversal band and generate a buy signal. Conversely, in a bearish setup, we look for the price to rise into the upper reversal band and trigger a sell signal. Now, let's look at some examples. On this chart, we can see that price was previously in a downtrend. But as price got into the lower reversal band, it bounced on the green band, and the indicator printed a buy signal. Additionally, the indicator printed a bullish trade setup, which includes the entry level, stop loss level, and the TP levels. So, with all these presented by the indicator, we just go ahead and place a buy trade at the recommended price level, place our stop loss also at the recommended level, and our take profit at TP2. Then, watching the trade run, you can see how price pushed upward, eventually hitting our target and resulting in a successful trade. Let's look at a bearish example. Here, we can see that price was pushing up, but when it got to the reversal band, it bounced on it and generated this sell signal. Additionally, the indicator printed a bearish trade setup, which includes the entry level, the stop loss level, and the take profit levels. So we can just place a sell trade at the recommended price level, and our stop loss at the stop loss level, then our take profit at TP2. And watching the trade run, you can see how price pushed down, eventually hitting our target and resulting in a profitable trade. So this is simply how you can trade with the Reversal Finder indicator to make consistent profit in the market. If you want to get this indicator, all you have to do is click the link in the description below to visit the SMRT Algo official website, where you can purchase the right to use the indicator. If you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button, also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated whenever we make new videos.